Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani, coming to you today with my first fall haul for 2018. I am excited about fall. I just love everything about fall. I like the decor, I like the weather, I love coffee, just another reason to drink more coffee. I went to 3 stores. Yesterday I went to the Dollar Tree, and today I went to Big Lots and Home Goods. But before I get into the haul, I wanted to let you guys know the reason I had not been uploading any videos is because there was a problem with the internet in my area. It literally was down for about 2 weeks, and they just got it working again. I believe it was Friday. So I have been making videos and they are all edited. So now that I'm able to upload, you guys will be getting videos. I am hoping maybe not every day, but every other day, because I do have a lot of videos that, like I said, I have recorded and edited. So I don't want to ramble too much. Let's get into the haul. The first thing that I got was some pumpkins. I got 12 of these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. This normally is not a color. As a matter of fact, I don't think I've ever decorated my home with this color. I'm actually not going to decorate the inside of my home. I'm going to decorate the outside of my home with this. I figure if it's outside and it gets wet, it's like this foam plastic. If it gets wet, you know, and it damages, oh well, I only paid $1. So like I said, I got 12 of these. The next item that I got were this beautiful pumpkin. I'm sure everyone has been hauling these. I mean, these are like super heavy. It's like, I don't know if it's a stone material or cement, but it's very heavy. It's like in this cream with a little hint of gold. Very beautiful. I got 4 of these, and again, they each were $1. Here's 2. And then here's the other 2. I'm going to use these on my table. So if you guys would like to see a tablescape of how I use these items, again, comment down below. Now the next item that I got does not match anything inside my home, but I do have a bedroom that I would like to do in like a black and white theme. It's actually the only room that was not damaged in the home, but until we move back downstairs, I'm not sure if I'll be able to decorate it this year. I don't believe I'll be decorating any room downstairs for the fall. The only place that did not get wet downstairs was our dining room. We may be finished by fall, but I just don't want to rush. I want to take my time. But I will be decorating. We have a game room upstairs, or family room upstairs. I will be decorating that. The one room that we're sleeping in, again, if we move downstairs, I will decorate that, and I am going to do it in like black and white. So that's why I got this item when I saw it, and it's this beautiful black and white pumpkin. I have not seen anybody hauling this yet on YouTube, and then again, I hadn't been watching YouTube that much, but hopefully at the end of this video, and I'm done editing it, I'll be able to sit down and watch, you know, to see if anybody hauled this. But if anybody has not gotten these, you guys need to run to your Dollar Tree and get this. This is so beautiful. I think it's made like out of wood. Just absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, I'm doing a black and white theme for the guest bedroom upstairs, so that's why I got this color. I may do it or I may not do it, but I did not want to leave these in the store just in case I did decide to do it, so I went ahead and I got these. I got 6 in these. And believe me, I got 6. I'm not going to show you guys all on camera. And then I got the black and white polka dots. Absolutely beautiful. I apologize for my nails. I got to do it as soon as we're done with this video. I was, just doing like a lot of dishes and doing my windows, so my nail polish came off. But I got 4 of these. I'd like to get 2 more of these, so I'm going to go to another Dollar Tree. Hopefully tomorrow, if not tomorrow, definitely Tuesday, to see if I could get 2 more. And I believe that's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. The next thing I'm going to show you guys will be from Big Lot. I will have to insert a picture of it because I've already put it outside. It is a mat for the front door in the shape of a pumpkin, and like I said, I will insert a picture of it. And the price on it was $12. I mean, it's super thick, absolutely beautiful for the price. So I was just so excited I put it outside, and I was like, oh, I didn't haul it yet. So I took a picture and I will insert the picture. And then the other item that I got from Big Lot was these placemats. And I've seen a lot of people hauling these, as well as the rugs. They didn't have any of the rugs at my store, but I also saw some from Family Dollar being hauled on YouTube. But again, my Family Dollar doesn't have it yet, but as soon as they do, I'll be sure to grab a couple. And this was actually $10. That was the only 2 items that I got from Big Lots. I am not, or at least I'm trying not to buy too many items, because right now behind this camera, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 baskets. The Dollar Tree baskets, which I told you guys I got probably in like 2 videos ago. That's where I store my decor items in. So I have 13 baskets full of home decor. So I'm trying to buy stuff that I really love and I really like, because I just have so much stuff. Even my husband, when he was taking the stuff out of the attic, he was not a happy camper, because 1, it is hot up there. So my final store I'm going to show you guys will be Home Goods. And like I said, I went to Home Goods today, and I got a few items from Home Goods. Like I said, I'm only trying to get stuff that I really love. And the first item I got was these LED garlands. They're in silver and they're little pumpkins. They light up. Let's see. That thing. Yeah, there it goes. If you can see that. So again, I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate downstairs. If I don't decorate downstairs, my mantle, I have my family room upstairs. I may use it up there for the fall. The price, $14.99. Okay. Well, when I went into Home Goods, this item was on sale, so I don't think they consider this like a fall decor, but I'm using it for my fall decor, and it's this white squirrel with his nut here. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love the details on his fur coat. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love white, so there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. So I'm just thinking it's just not a fall decor item. White was already marked down. The regular price for it was $14.99. I don't think you could see it, but I peeled it back, so that's how I know it was $14.99. But it was on sale for $11. I hope you guys can see that. I'm actually wearing one of my rompers that I hauled for you guys a couple videos ago. Again, if you guys want to see me do a try on, please let me know in the comments down below. And then I got, now let me tell you something about this next item. As I mentioned to you guys before, I like neutral colors. I like cream. As far as home decor, I want to say cream is probably like my favorite color. I like whites, I like grays, just anything really, really soft. But I believe if you don't add a little color, your home tends to look cold. And I kind of wanted to spice it up a little bit. So when I went to Home Goods, I was already in the line to check out. But when I saw this item, I got out the line and I got every one that I saw on the shelf in this color. And it is this beautiful, beautiful pink pumpkin. Just look at this. This is just beautiful. When I saw this, I was like, okay, this is going to be my accent color for the fall. They had two of these, so I have one right here and the other one is in my basket. So, and they were very reasonable. They were $12.99. And then when I went up to actually pay for it, the cashier, she was like, oh my god, that color is just gorgeous. So yeah, so I absolutely love this, and like I said, this will be my accent color for fall. Then again, sticking in the pink color, again, like I said, they didn't have much of these, but what they had, I grabbed them all. And again, it's this other pumpkin. This, I mean, this is just beautiful. The camera is just not doing it justice. I mean, just beautiful. It's pink with a little bit of gold. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. And again, it was reasonably priced. The price for this is also $12.99. I hope you guys can see that. So I got two of these. And then my final item for this haul is another pumpkin, again in the pink, but this time it has give thanks. I would have loved to have gotten like maybe 3 or 4 of these. Well guys, this concludes the end of my haul. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you could be updated every time I upload a video. Again, thank you guys so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. You guys be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.